10 Benefits of red dragon fruit for health and beauty. One. Lose weight. Due to its high fiber content and low calorie count, red dragon fruit is the ideal fruit for those of you who are dieting. 2. Overcoming gout. Red dragon fruit eating can aid in the treatment of gout since it contains a number of essential nutrients and chemicals. It is well known that this fruit has the ability to break down purine compounds, which gout sufferers' bodies build up and then expel through sweat or urine. 3. Control blood sugar levels. Red dragon fruit is advised for diabetics or people who want to regulate their blood sugar levels since it contains vitamin B3, which can lower blood sugar levels. The advantages of yam for diabetes and those of palm sugar for diabetes can both be used to manage blood sugar levels. 4. Good for diabetics. Consumption of red dragon fruit can be an option for diabetics who have many dietary restrictions. The natural sweetness of this fruit does not harm or cause an increase in blood sugar levels in diabetics, so it is safe for consumption. 5. Good for eye health. Red dragon fruit also contains beta-carotene so that it has a positive effect on eye health. This fruit can be an alternative for those of you who are tired of consuming the same sources of beta-carotene or vitamin A, such as the benefits of carrots and the benefits of tomatoes. 6. Good for healthy bones and teeth. Because it contains elements like phosphorus and calcium, red dragon fruit is the best option for you and your family. The advantages of these two minerals include supporting strong bones and teeth. Consuming this fruit helps children's bones and teeth grow properly and protects adults from a number of bone and tooth problems. 7. Prevent premature aging. Red dragon fruit's high antioxidant content is excellent for avoiding early aging. Particularly in this day and age, when pollution is out of control and the body is easily colonized by free radicals. One aspect of a strong body defense is having enough antioxidants to combat free radicals. The advantages of Kennecker leaves for beauty and those of mulberry leaves for beauty can both help you avoid premature aging. 8. Smooth digestion. Red dragon fruit is known to have high fiber benefits which are needed for digestion. Nine. Good for gut health. Due to its high fiber content, dragon fruit can facilitate digestion and improve gut function. The intestines improve in health and are not overworked. The advantages of apples and spinach for health are other fruits and vegetables that are also suggested for sustaining intestinal health. 10. Boost immunity. Consumption of dragon fruit, which is rich in vitamins and minerals, is also very good for increasing immunity so that the body's defense is stronger and not easily infected with viruses or bacteria that cause disease. Thank you for watching TVN7. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Wait for the next video.